This versatile Goodall Start All Jump Pack by Vanair allows you to choose between 12-volt jump starts for semis, buses, and motorhomes, or 24-volt jumps for construction equipment, farm tractors, and other off-road machinery. Fully charged, the pack delivers an impressive 166,500 joules of energy in just 5 seconds to instantly start Class 8 gasoline and diesel engines up to 16 liters. Producing 5,000 amps for 24-volt equipment and 10,000 amps for 12-volt vehicles, this lightweight pack is powered by a rechargeable, high-output premium lithium-ion battery. Encased in a durable plastic shell, this portable jump pack weighs less than 20 pounds and features an AC plug, a carport charger, 4 USB ports, and 1 USB-C input-output port to recharge phones, tablets, laptops, and portable gaming devices. On the back, there's a built-in 500-lumen LED work light that can be set to high, low, and SOS strobe functions. The Goodall jump packs offer protection against reverse polarity, low voltage, and short-circuiting. Thanks to the built-in Protect All safety feature, the unit also guards against overheating, over-discharging, and overvoltage, along with additional open clamp protection. The Start All Jump Pack comes with a 1-year warranty and offers an impressive lifespan of 5,000 starts. Its longevity comes from its solid-state technology control to provide durability in rugged environments and to eliminate wear points for long-lasting performance. Built for all climates, the Jump Pack is designed to function reliably in extreme hot and cold weather conditions. Also included with your purchase of the Goodall Start All Jump Pack 12 24-volt with jumper cables are wall charger and port charger cables, 3-in-1 mobile adapter, carabiner, safety strap, user manual, and the carrying case. Find it under battery service on zips.com.